to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing teriyaki beef with soba noodles. This is the most amazing dish for springtime. Nice, light and easy to do. Alright, let's go through it. I'm going to add in around about 60 mils worth of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons worth of sake, 2 tablespoons worth of mirin, and look, you can add in some caster sugar, but you'll need to cook that off, so I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of agave syrup. Right, you can buy that from your health food store. I'm going to add in a good healthy big teaspoon of some ginger paste, and we're just going to give that a stir. The reason I'm doing it this way, we don't have to cook it, everything's ready to go, all the flavors are there. Bring some water up to a boil, and we've got some nice soba noodles. We're going to add in 2 little servings into that, right, and just cook those as per the instructions on the pack. They're only going to take a few minutes, right, not very long at all. So cook those noodles off as per the instructions on the packet, and they're available at most friendly supermarkets. Don't buy them from an unfriendly supermarket. Right, we're going to take those off. Once they're done, we're going to strain those, and we're going to serve these straight under a plate straight away. Soba noodles you traditionally have sort of cold or cool. All right, so we're going to Mrs. KP is going to arrange those there, and I'm going to add in a little bit of our marinade with around about 1/3 of a cup's worth of dashi stock. Right, you can buy dashi stock from your local Asian supermarket in powder form, or you can make it yourself. Alright, here I've got around about 500 grams worth of yakiniku style cut beef. If you don't know how to do that, I will try and leave a description in leave a link in the description in how to make your own yakiniku style cut beef. Now I'm going to give that a little bit of a marinade with that little teriyaki sauce we made right at the beginning of the video. So we're just going to stir that through. That meat is going to soak in all those beautiful flavors. Right, a little bit of oil into a wok, just like that, and we're going to just make sure we've got enough heat. Give that a little bit of a test dip, just like that, and I'm going to now, once my meat has come up to, all my oils come up to temperature, we're going to put our meat in and stir fry that. Because this meat is so thin, it does not take very long at all. I'm going to make one recommendation: don't overcook it, please. I'm going to add in around about 200 grams worth of edamame. That's going to go straight in, and look, they're just a frozen edamame. You can buy them shelled or unshelled, and you can shell them yourself. Look, to be honest with you, the amount of time it takes to shell these things, buy them shelled. Okay, a little bit more of our little teriyaki sauce that we've made up. Give it a little bit more of a stir, just like that, and we're pretty much ready to go. Serve that beef on top of some of your soba noodles, and here I've got a few snow peas that I've julienned lengthways just for a little bit of a difference. A few spring onions, which I've also given those a nice thin slice, and add a couple more edamame beans on top, and there you go. You've got KP's teriyaki beef with soba noodles. Very quick recipe to do, very easy, perfect for spring and summertime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. But if you want more really cool recipes just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my teriyaki beef with soba noodles, and I will catch you next time. Bye.